Hi everyone, this is Ali Darwish speaking from Zaid University Cisco Networking Academy. This is a mini clip dedicated for the new instructors, those who are joining from Mawakib School and Ittihad schools. Over here I'm gonna try to show you how to access the core materials in very straightforward steps. The first thing we're gonna do over here is to go to Cisco Networking Academy website. The URL for that website is cisco.netacad.net without using www. Or else it's gonna take you somewhere else. Well, as a first step, you provide your login information at the login screen. Just like this. Okay. The minute you log on to the website, you are going to see a navigation menu on your left hand side. You're not gonna see the administrator home. Instead, you're gonna see the instructor home. You click on the instructor home, and over here you'll be able to see the classes where you are enrolled in. This is the class where you're supposed to attend the IT Essential May 2011. In order to access the course materials, you can come to the right side menu. You have something called the course materials. You click on the course materials and you choose the curriculum. Since we are going to start our training with IT Essentials, the curriculum gonna be IT Essential, and from over here you take the first option. And the latest version, which is 4.1, and you submit your request. Once you submit your request, you'll have the following option. Since you are an instructor, the instructor version is quite helpful for you. Over the instructor version, you're gonna find some notes that will aid you in teaching and delivering the program, but it's the same as the student one. The one that we are going to study together at Zaid University Cisco Networking Academy program is the student version. You have two options. The first option is to click on the launch. Once you launch the course materials, make sure before launching them that you have Adobe Flash Player installed on your Internet Explorer. This is the IT Essential syllabus, consisting of 16 chapters. If you want to access any of them, you click and choose any of them, and here you go. This is the course materials. You can navigate through the course materials using the next and back, and you still have the index to choose a quick access to the desired resources. Now, rest of them we are going to explore them inshallah together in the academy. But let's say that you don't have an internet access at home and you wish to have this course offline. You can still download the zip file that contains all the resources for the academy materials. After you download it, you unzip it. Gonna look something like this one. I don't have it for IT Essential, but I do have it for the CCNA program stored somewhere. Oh, maybe not on this PC. But anyways, the minute you unzip your folder, you're gonna see many subfolders. You need to choose the one which is labeled index. Once you double click on the index one, the course materials will open for you. What course materials? The same as this one. The same one, I got them online, I have them offline. You can still keep that copy on your school server so you can access it later. Okay, so one more place where you can get some handy useful resources. Let us come back to the instructor home. Okay, we have something called the library. The library is the place where you can find further course materials. Let's choose from over here the instructor resources, and since we're gonna study the IT Essential, I click on the IT Essential. Over here you can find some guiding tools, very useful and helpful tips. We're gonna cover them in details inshallah when we start our course. Over here you can find, for example, you can find a PowerPoint presentation and some other materials that shows you the outlines of the course. We're not gonna use these materials. These materials are used for a special purpose that will be covered later. Okay, one more place I would like to share with you on the Cisco Academy website is the tools. If you wish to read further about the program, about the programs we offer them at the Academy, and get some resources like the lab manual, you choose the course material, the tools from the main page, and here you go. Over here the most important thing is the instructor lab manual. We are going to work with the student lab manual, since the instructor lab manual has the answers and the solutions to what we're gonna do in the class. So keep it with you. It's always to have a good access to it before you finish the IT Essentials. But after you finish IT Essentials, you're gonna use it at all times. So the one we're gonna share with you is the student lab manual. Here is the soft copy of the student lab manual. I'm gonna give you the hard copy on campus. Okay? If you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact me at any time. You have my contact details provided with this email or with the previous emails I sent earlier. Thank you very much. Hope that you will enjoy this training course with us with Cisco Networking Academy ITE University.